Welcome to the DŌST assembly videos. In this one, Dave will show you around the display. We're going to start by turning the bike on by pressing and holding the on button for a couple of seconds. The display will turn on and you will see the time, your battery percentage, the speed, your power assist level, and right now the trip meter here. This is the sensor for the headlight. Push the I button to scroll through different settings on the screen. Odometer, max speed, Dave's favourite, average speed, Dave's least favourite, range, how many calories burned, the time elapsed for the ride, and back to the trip meter. You can go into further settings by quickly pressing the I button twice. Press again to go into display settings. You can toggle up and down using the plus or minus buttons, and then press the I button to change a setting. For example, changing from metric to imperial units. You can also change the maximum power assist settings. Dave is going to change his from 3 to 9 because, well, he's Dave. You can also set a speed limit if you'd like. Dave is changing his down to 20 miles an hour. AL sensitivity adjusts the sensitivity of the light meter. The higher the number, the greater the sensitivity. You can also change the password here. Double-click the I button to go back. If you have any questions, please visit support.dostbikes.com.